Hello everyone and welcome to this video. And this quick video I will show with you how to activate debit card on Faysal Bank. So guys, go to Google and search for Faysal Bank as you can see here and click this website, official website. After that guys, wait to loading this website and scroll down a little bit and you find this option, Islamic debit card. As you can see here guys, click this one, and on the left corner, as you can see here guys, you find this option, Islamic debit card. As you can see here guys, you find this option, business card. And what you can do guys, click this one, click this Faisal Islamic business debit card and click one. As you can see here guys, this how you can activate debit card easily by following this option, activate debit card. First one, contact this center, call this number as you can see here from a register number as you can see here, and after that follow the steps and SMS number space last 4 digit on debit card on phone number and register for, and you can receive time PAN OTP and visit your Islamic ATM to receive OTP debit card. After this one, this is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Keep watching.